Hi folks, thanks for tuning into my channel again. I'm your host Exchange IT Pro. In this video we are talking about some security improvement in Exchange Online. So the first thing, this feature works on mailbox auditing in your Exchange Online, so which Microsoft has already started as a default turn on feature in your services. So what are the scenarios and how it's going to help? I'll share the Microsoft Exchange team blog URL below so you can read more details in what scenario it's going to help. So the session ID will be audited as a part of mailbox audit log and admin audit log. So basically it is a GUID identifier which is encoded in your Azure AD token. The only situation is not going to help when the attacker has stolen your token. So basically when you log on to your services using Azure AD, you're given a token, and within that token these session IDs are logged. So when you log in yourself, it's a session ID is given to you, and if somebody steals your password and log in with your credentials, another session ID will be generated. The one in the green shows it's you. You have same session ID ending with DA53, and somebody else also logged in stealing your password, for example. They have a different session ID against each and every action. So 6A11, 6A11 for folder permission, ending with 6A11 in set mailbox. So you can see same username password, but different actions are taken again different session IDs. So this is how it can help you determine if your account has been compromised. So now you can see how valuable and helpful it is to have this feature available in your services. In this example, if you see, there's audit records for a service account in Exchange, and if you look at added inbox rule, it has a different session ID ending with 6A11. And you would be worried why a service account would create add an inbox rule. So you can do further investigation against that session ID. As you can see in this picture, it has been compromised and the behavior is different. So then the question is how you can start leveraging this feature. There are some prerequisites. For example, this cannot work with basic authentication. So your authentication should come through Azure AD to make it work, and you'll have to disable legacy authentication throughout your organization. So now the question is where you can see these audit logs. So you have to go through Security and Compliance Center where you can look for Exchange activity. I'll share article from Tony Redmond's blog post. It has more details, so you can go and follow the instructions step by step provided by him. And also you can leverage this feature not only for Exchange Online but also across other services in your Microsoft 365, and which can leverage and consume all the data across your organization. For that you need to look into Office 365 Unified Auditing.